Several years ago, I wound up making snickerdoodle cookies for a get-together. And in pure bad bachelor cooking form, I grabbed that jar of reddish-brown powder from my spice cabinet that started with a C. But instead of cinnamon, it was cayenne pepper. So I wound up making cayenne pepper snickerdoodles.
Begin by softening a stick of butter in the microwave for about 20 seconds or so because you don't like keeping your butter at room temperature. You always keep it in the fridge. Then add a cup of sugar to the mixing bowl and start using a mixer to beat it all together. Then realize you don't really like using a mixer all that much because it just gets stuff all over the place. So lick the beaters clean and then get out a whisk instead and just mix everything or cream everything together that way. Then try to pour a teaspoon of vanilla. Realize that you actually want a half teaspoon of vanilla. Then pour yourself a half teaspoon of vanilla. Then get a tablespoon or so of Greek yogurt, which will partially serve as a cream of tartar substitute. Then crack an egg, and as usual, get shell in there and get the shell out. Then get everything mixed together with the whisk and move everything off to the side, and then preheat the oven to 375 degrees. And now get 1.5 cups of flour into a bowl, as well as a teaspoon of baking powder, a quarter teaspoon of salt, and then 3/8 of a teaspoon of baking soda because that's also cream of tartar substitute. Get a teaspoon of cayenne pepper in there and then mix it all together. And then get a soda out of the fridge to drink while you are doing this. Now to add these dry ingredients to the mixing bowl and mix everything together. And now just clean the residue off of the thingy. And now get out another bowl and add 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of ground cayenne pepper, and mix it all together. Then use that mix to, just dip the rolled cookie ball thingies that are about an inch into Now, after about 10 to 12 minutes in the oven, just test, see if it's ready. If it's not, okay, now get it out after another minute, and yes, they are ready at this point. And there you have it, cayenne pepper snickerdoodles. I actually really love these because they just have a nice kick to them. And they are just a great way to just one-up all of your baby-mouthed friends who can't handle anything spicy.